Before we start the video, I just want to point out that I'm not a good programmer by any means. I wouldn't want you to follow my code because again, this was a stupid program. But either way, I wouldn't want you to take tips from it because I'm not a good programmer at all. I am in a computer club at my school, so I decided while I'm there, let's see what program, well, how long it'll take me to write a program in school. A very simple program with TK enter. I didn't want to write a program like Hello World and that's it, right? I could do that in 5 seconds. But I wanted to see if I can make like a somewhat. I mean, it's not useful. It's pretty stupid, but I wanted to see what kind of program I could make in school. So this video demonstrates that and how long it took me. And actually, you might not believe this, but I actually did record these videos at school, and with the screen capturing. I used Windows Game DVR. I uploaded it to a file hosting website, emailed it to myself, downloaded it, and that's how I'm editing it right now. So enjoy the video, and that was just a little disclaimer.